These are the things that you need to be knowing to save up a lot of money while you purchase makeup. Hey guys, namaste, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As a makeup artist, I spend a lot on makeup, literally a lot on hair products and makeup products. So it have taken me a long years to understand how can I get more discounts, how can I save up money, while I'm splurging on makeup. So this video is going to be entirely about my experience. I am not influencing anyone for anything. So everything that I have been through, everything that my journey have taught me is something that I'm gonna tell you guys. A special shout out to my brother for this video because he's the one who taught me most of the things. He's one person who I look up to when it comes to financial guidance. So yeah, let's get into the video, you guys. So first things first, while you're purchasing makeup, try going to buy for palettes rather than buying in individual shades. For example, an eyeshadow or lipstick, whatever you can get it in palettes, try getting it in palettes, because palettes will save you a lot of money as well as will last you for longer time. So this is a secret tip I want you guys to know while you are buying makeup as a beginner and even as a pro makeup artist. The second thing is finding out for dupes in the high-end makeup product category. I'm not telling you to go buy cheaper stuffs, rather I'm trying to tell you if you can get a same formulation for 700 bucks, and if you can get the same formulation for 7,000 bucks, be very smart in what you're gonna put your money on. I would suggest you to buy products that have like similar formulations but comes in an affordable brand. Try going for like good brands, affordable brands like Mars, Maybelline and all of these things. Again, these many products also have the high coverages and the kind of textures that you will get in the high-end products as well. So high-end products are luxury. If you want to treat your customers with that luxury, then go for a high-end brand. But if you can find a similar product in half of the price, I would say being a makeup artist, spending wisely is something that I would recommend. For example, the strobe cream of MAC is amazing, but you get NY based strobe cream for literally 1/3 of that price. So which one would be better? I would suggest buying NY Bay would be better, because you can stock it up, restock it up whenever you're in need, rather than splurging a lot on makeups like MAC and other brands. If you're a beginner, then this is something that I want you to keep in your mind. The third thing is purchasing products on sale. Sale is something that will help you save a lot of money while giving you better deals, good discounts and everything. So every brand will launch sales every now and then. So even in Nykaa and other platforms where you buy makeup, you get a lot of sale where you get to spend little money and buy a lot of products. I do this especially with like hair products like Plum and all of those things, skincares and makeups and everything. So stocking up in the time of sales is very essential. This is something that I learned from my brother, and he notifies me every time that there is a sale if I end up not keeping a track on it. So buying products in sale is a big yes from my end. The next thing is purchasing in wholesale markets. You have multiple wholesale markets. For example, I buy extensions and other things in wholesale markets because I don't like to take a chance of it while ordering online and all. So identify wholesale markets at your place where you live by. For example, if you're living in Bangalore, then there is Chickpet and there are certain stores who will provide you products for wholesale price, especially with hair accessories and everything. And if you're living in other places, you will have some of the other wholesale markets. Try checking out in the place where you live. This will help you save a lot of money. So the next thing is checking the formulations. So whenever you're buying product online, and especially if you're a beginner, I would suggest you to go to Sephora or Nykaa stores nearby and check the formulations of product which you would like to buy, because it's very essential to know whether it's going to match the kind of work that you do or not. Because I have made these mistakes. I bought a lot of products and I ended up not using them to their fullest because I didn't like the formulations or it just didn't work out. So always identifying the formulas and checking it in the outlets makes it very easy for you to buy products online. So the next thing is, don't buy products impulsively. If you think something is going viral on Instagram and YouTube, and follow the trend, and if you end up buying the products, then you're gonna suffer a lot of loss. Because for example, I am a bridal makeup artist, and luckily there was a little while before where this graphic liners and like colored liners were in trend. And in my place, especially where I belong to, not everyone asked for such kind of liners when it comes to bridal makeup. So if I would have bought it at the time of trend, I would have lost a lot of money because I wouldn't have been using it otherwise. So being wise about following what you need and not getting into trends is also very important, especially in the age of where we live, the social media age. It becomes very difficult to hold on to those things and purchase wisely. So the next thing is take formulations that you can use for multiple things. For example, I have a lip palette which I've created this particular look with. So I have used that lip palette for lipstick, for cheek blush, and a little bit for the eyeshadow as well. So you need to be repurposing your makeup. So buying a cream blush, a single cream blush, versus using it in multiple things, like using a lipstick for your blush, for your eyes, and for your lips, this ends up saving a lot of money for you and need not splurge a lot of other things, and you can just work it out with whatever you actually have in your vanity. So if you have stayed up until this time of the video, thank you so much. And here is a life-changing and an amazing tip for you guys. This is how I actually save a lot of money, get a lot of free stuff, as well as get a lot of discounts while I'm purchasing makeup. All thanks to my brother. If my brother wasn't there, I would have probably never get to know this particular trick. That is to use credit cards while you're buying makeup. So credit cards gives a lot of options, lot of discounts on a lot of sites, and also using Cashkaro account have helped me save a lot of money, get better deals on my makeup. I've got makeup for literally 1/3 of the price. Like whatever the luxury high-end products, even like the drugstore products, the skin cares, hair cares, and everything. So all sites will have a lots and lots of discount if you're using credit cards and Cashkaro account. This is not sponsored. It is purely from my own experience, and I hope you will save a lot of money while you're purchasing makeup from next time. I really hope you guys liked this particular video. It was informative and it will help you spend wisely when you're buying makeup for the next time. So controlling on emotions while purchasing makeup is also very important. You can think that okay, the new brand is launched, it's luxury, and let me buy it. And what if you don't use it as much as you would use the other things? So it is very essential for you to be very wise when you're buying your makeup products. So until next time, take care, bye bye, love you guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did so, then you guys know the drill. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until next time, take care, bye bye, love you guys.